Brass tacks, how worried should Indian investors be right now? How worried are you?
I am not worried. The reason is that we have, first of all, I've been doing this for 30 years, and even otherwise, you are most welcome to study it more than having to experience it every time. That all these things end suddenly after a few days, maybe 10 days, 5 days. In this case, I think not more than that. I'll explain. But broadly, then most of these things reverse. Oil prices will rise and then they will fall, and then we'll have weakness in markets and they will correct, and these things don't really affect. Unfortunately, you can say if you want that the stock markets are very cold blooded and they just recover very fast. And in this case, my simple reasoning is A, that you have taken, you means the US and Israel have taken out the top, whatever, 40, 50 of the senior guys and maybe many others in the management of Iran, and you really expect the 55th guy to be as strong as the first three, five, the Revolutionary Guard head and the actual supreme leader and his first nominated successor, his son-in-law, and whoever else, and their defense minister and all that. Number one. Second thing is that if, and every day they are being attacked. So if those guys had to respond in some big style, they can't keep waiting because they are anyway being attacked and all their weapons would be affected like that. So broadly, I would think that this will end plus minus a few days, or at least there will be negotiation. And negotiation, I think President Trump has tweeted or said that already, I don't know who, but in the hierarchy, somebody is already asking for a new round of discussions. So I don't feel this is, super bad in the from a stock market point of view. And if it is bad for a few days, it is very difficult to sell today and then buy back 2 days later or 4 days later. Believe me, I have tried this all my life. I've been a hedge fund manager for 20 years. These things don't work. It looks today, if you short and then tonight it will look better because you would have shorted when it's down 2% and the market would have closed down 2.5%. And you would say, because you're not getting the whole 2.5, let's say I'm just giving as a number. And you'll be very happy tonight that you know, you saved 0.5%, and then 3 days later it'll be up 1%, and the whole story is over. Just chill.
Just chill. This coming from a man who's just said that he's tried to do this all his life and it's a very difficult thing to do. Uh,
Many things work, but this doesn't
this
work.
does. Fair call. Samir,